The supplement known as trimethylglycine, TMG, or betaine, has promising human evidence not just for enhanced muscle performance, but also for potentially decreasing dementia risk. We should closely examine the research on TMG. This compound is naturally present in foods like beets, spinach, and whole grain breads, with typical daily intakes between 100 to 300 milligrams. What effects do we notice when utilizing supplements? We can start by looking at impacts on muscle and athletic abilities. There are a few possible ways TMG could improve these metrics. For example, it might raise creatine quantities, quicken the reuse of ATP, the energy molecule for our cells, which could prolong the onset of exhaustion in intense exercise. TMG may also modulate water amounts within cells and hydration status. Finally, it might also kickstart muscle protein production. That all sounds great hypothetically, but what do actual human experiments demonstrate? In 2017, a systematic assessment identified 7 top-quality trials on the topic. However, only 2 of those 7 studies reported gains in strength or power after taking TMG supplements. The other 5 trials displayed no change. So here is the critical point. When research combined TMG supplements with high-intensity training, that is when advantages emerged. Therefore, TMG probably works best alongside exercise that spurs high metabolic demands. Simply ingesting TMG while sedentary won't generate any advantages. We require combination with targeted resistance and power-focused exercise. In addition, a 2021 double-blind trial found TMG improved 1 rep max, VO2 max, and sprinting capacity in professional soccer players during their season. Other studies show TMG may help reduce liver fat and inflammation in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It also demonstrates antioxidant properties that could counter some mechanisms underlying diabetic complications. Furthermore, TMG works as a methyl donor, converting homocysteine to methionine. This process also generates S-adenosyl methionine, SAMe, a compound sometimes taken to combat depression and anxiety. Lowering homocysteine may also reduce heart disease and dementia risk. However, direct cardiovascular protection from homocysteine reduction remains unproven. Additionally, DNA methylation declines with age, perhaps contributing to aging itself, though evidence is still unclear. Calorie restriction in rodents reduces this effect, but human data is lacking. Regardless, getting homocysteine and methionine to optimal ranges through TMG methyl donation may have anti-aging effects. TMG also facilitates clearance of NAD boosters like nicotinamide riboside, preventing unwanted buildup. Typical TMG doses range from 500 mg to 1,000 mg taken between meals. Doses up to 12 grams appear safe, though higher intakes raise LDL cholesterol and prompt diarrhea. Commercial DNA methylation tests, while costly, may help track biological age changes from lifestyle and supplement adjustments over time. As always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Stay informed and stay healthy.